I don't even know where all the pictures are on my computer. I mean, I've got these, I've got some in downloads. I mean, here's a bunch of them sitting in downloads. I've got different folders sitting in different places. I've got videos sitting in here. They're all over the place. And right here, you're looking at my phone. You can see all the pictures I have on my phone. Here's the problem. If you take a look at the settings on my phone, I use 7.2 gigs out of 8 gigs. I'm gonna take the PhotoStick itself, I'm gonna plug it right in the bottom of my phone, and then it says backup files now. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit that. It says backup all, or I can just select ones, but I'm gonna back up everything. And you can see how fast it works. On here is this magical software that is going to seek out and find every photo, every video, every piece of media on your computer, no matter what it is, and download it to this automatically without you doing anything other than hitting one button. Who can get more photos and videos in a minute's time? So here we go.
Okay, ready? Oh, you're just pushing
I'm on the big green go button.
Okay.
We're going in 3, 2, 1, go. Right here, I searched through 3,273 different folders, and I found 1,133 photos.
Okay, that may be a little easier.
And I did nothing. All I did was click go and walk away. If you actually tried to find all of the pictures and video on your computer and archive them, would you even know where to look? Would you even know where they all are? Would you even be able to remember if you were missing something? It could be an incredibly important photo of maybe your grandmother or your child graduating from high school. The PhotoStick solves all that. What's the issue with photo backup? Well, for the most part, we don't do it, right?
It's going to find every single picture and every single video archived on my phone.
Plug and go. Really super easy.
You know, it's so easy to use. I already have it plugged in right here, and it's scanning my computer even right now.
It removes duplicates, so it automatically filters out your duplicate videos and photos.
Now I have all my photos on this little stick right here.
Have an actual hard copy is sometimes good when you want to back up some really important stuff.
Hi guys, I'm David, and I've got some awesome news for you. It was awesome news for me too, because my son gave me this great little gift. It's called the PhotoStick Omni. Now it looks like this. This is the stick, and this is the adapter. And what it is, well, basically, I just plug it in like that. Nice and easy, right? So, it's for photos and videos and that sort of thing. And what's kind of cool about this, and it kind of saves my life, if you know what I'm saying, because I'm not tech savvy and I'm not real computer literate. So when I take photos on my phone or on my computer or whatever, I tend to misplace stuff sometimes. You ever do that? You know what I'm talking about? So I'm looking for files all over the place, and I've got Italy over here and Spain over there and Greece here and all these places, and I can't find half the stuff because it's all over the place on my computer. So anyway, so what this PhotoStick Omni does, you just plug it into your phone, or iPhone or Android or your computer, plug it in, it loads right up, and all your videos and photos are downloaded in one place. I don't have to go looking for stuff anymore. And what's kind of cool is because off my phone, I can then delete some photos off my phone to create more space, because I do a lot of traveling and that sort of thing. I like to take a lot of pictures. And this, it puts them all in one place. So I thank my son for getting this for me, and I strongly suggest that you give it a shot, because I think you're gonna love it. I really do. So, PhotoStick Omni.